Hello, hello, and good morning to everyone as well. How is it going, everyone? Trades are started to move as I've been talking yesterday. Very good. I will start watching the DXY, the dollar movement, dollar pairs, as I've mentioned yesterday. So they are going very nice, following the plan. So yesterday we've been talking about this movement that I would like to share with you. Yeah, this is the move. This is the move that I am currently following, and will wait patiently for a pullback, decent pullback, and then I will join. As I have mentioned yesterday, perfect way of moving. It couldn't move better, and it couldn't move simpler than that. Ready for 2026? Yes, totally ready. New goals are there, and new challenges are there. How about you? Did you prepare yourself for 2026? Perfect. That's why I'm using this strategy, because it's amazing. It's going down. Perfect movement is there. This is why I love this strategy, because in every time it makes me disciplined. It keeps me in discipline, so I don't rush. I don't trigger the trade in the middle of nowhere when the market is going higher. I'm not guessing the tops to trying to get from the highest price and so on. And that's why I love this strategy. It's really consistent and it pays off very nice. It gives even an option for adding to the winning trade, so that's why I'm keep sticking to it. Oh, you say just better from last one. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's how we progress as human beings. Good one. I like it. Just crush this year. It's gonna be amazing, but we need to stay focused. So what I will do over there is I will wait for some pullback. Let this one go, and I will go and wait for a pullback. This could happen today. I could have this pullback, decent pullback, maybe in the afternoon, maybe during the night. I don't know, and I don't need to know. But when the pullback will be there, then definitely I will be entering. Okay, so this will be my trade definitely, and I will be taking it all the way to downside. But for now, I'm staying away from it. I'm not touching it, and I'm waiting for correction to appear over there. Euro dollar, same there. It has a nice launch. Perfect. Now I need the same there. I need pullback, and then I will be joining it, and I will try to get go for this movement to the upside. Very nice potential. So risk to reward ratio, it's amazing over there, and I will be aiming for it. Yes, that looks like a flag and a decent pullback. So if this one is ready, or it will go another leg lower and then go up, I have no idea, but definitely I will be trading on the pullback. I will give it a chance, and then I will see what the price will do over there. It should go. I think this is the perfect decent pullback. This everything together, it's pullback. It's the impulsive corrective, and now another leg higher will appear over there, and this is the maximum that I can get out of the movement, but at least I'm aiming to take the previous top. That will be the minimum. So I have to wait now, stay patient, not jumping the gun, not thinking that I will miss anything, just patiently waiting for the setup to give me the chance to enter. Because without pullback, if I will not wait for the pullback, I can get myself in trouble. And even risk to reward ratio, it's not bad. My stop loss will be too big. So these all are the reasons why I will have to wait, stay disciplined, and wait for it to develop. Yeah, I already showed you the euro dollar. Good one. So are you already in the trade, or are you waiting? Because I'm waiting. I will wait to give me better risk to reward ratio, so I can start loading my position into this setup. You have to stay patient. Sometimes it really affect my psychology, because ego and fear of missing out there is very strong. When I start seeing this kind of the movement, I started to think that, oh my god, I missed, I could have entered from there, or there. Although all those ideas are bullshit, because it can lead me into being too aggressive. It can lead me to start watching for bottoms, and this is something I don't like to, because I really don't like to start catching the bottom, because you never know where the bottom is. When bottom is done, yes, we are quite sure where the bottom is, but when this thing is in development, I don't want to catch it. I really don't want to catch it, because it can go just deeper, and oh gosh, it could be so difficult. I tried that once, and would never again trying to chase the bottoms or tops, because it's too difficult, too risky, too difficult. I really have decided that I will never ever be catching the bottoms or tops again. It's really not worth it. But it looks very good for a picture, for a flex. That's the only thing it is. No perfectionist. I have learned as well that I shouldn't be perfectionist when I'm trading. This everything comes from experience. So pullback, same there. This price action, it's looking great for now. It gives me the confidence that the dollar will seriously give me this kind of movement. All dollars are showing you this movement. So this week, I think this is all we will get over there on dollar pairs. This is the only thing we will have on all the dollar pairs, nothing more. This one can even extend, or it can start struggling. But no, I'm definitely for sure. Euro dollar has the biggest movement. New Zealand is the same. This one, it looks perfect as well. 1, 2, 3 downside, like I have mentioned yesterday, and now this move to the upside. Pretty nice movement over there. Yeah, I think we all suffered from that. Because it's for when we backtest and when we are bored, we all are watching what could we improve and what will gives us better, bigger risk to reward ratio, and we all came to conclusion that catching bottom and tops is the best idea to do that. And of course, that's the trap. We shouldn't think our brain or our idea in our head. I believe that trading it's full of traps. Trading is trap. And I think that mostly why people are jumping from strategy to strategy and not generating money for a living, that's the only reason, because they are letting their brain to be right. They are listening to their ideas in their head. So after a week, they end up on total different idea and total different strategy than they started a week ago. That's crazy. And I think this is the reason why trading is so difficult. That's why this is why I'm tracking my progress, my strategy, to not that this thing will not happen to me. I keeping my journals, pretty extensive journals. Every Sunday I sit down, I go and I check how I traded previous week, for example, and what I should do versus what I did in reality. And this helps me to keep on track. That keeps me on the same strategy. That keeps me that I'm not jumping from strategy to strategy. And I think that's the only reason why I have to keep my trading journals. That's it. It keeps my mind focused, centered. Use the chief. This one is good one. The all dollar pairs needs that pullback. I would love to see that pullback. You see? This is why I said yesterday I don't like personally to take trades over there. When I will have correction like this, I'm not buying it over there. Why? Because I'm at the end of the structure, very high, so it's not worth of risking the money there at the top. It can easily just go down and there will be loss for nothing. I'm not trying to avoid having a loss, but I'm talking where are the spots and where is worth of taking the loss and trying if the trade will work, and there are the spots where I shouldn't be trying and placing my money on these spots. It's totally not worth it. It has to do a lot with probabilities. It's lower probability that the trade will work because it's that high, it's the top of the structure, momentum is dying out, and so on. So I'm losing my probability. I'm losing my success rate, and that's the reason why I shouldn't be trading. I mean, I can, but I will have a loss for nothing, and I don't want to. I rather take that money, which I will place there with trying, and then put it in the next trade. Much better idea. So I will be making more money if I wait. So waiting is the only way to accelerate success. Probably for now, on dollar there will be nothing. Dollar will probably have nothing to trade over there. For now, I mean. Maybe in the New York session. I think during this session we can see the pullback. We can see some pullback over there. There it could be some sort of... Which pullback will appear? I have no idea. I cannot guess. I simply cannot guess. But what I can do, wait and see what happens. Pretty easy, right? So I shouldn't be guessing the correction, how it will look, how it needs to look, and how far it needs to go, blah, 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 all that bullshit. I don't want to do that because it's too complex, too complex to make money over there with predicting the correction. But when it's over, when I see it and I see there's some shape pattern that's familiar with me, then I will grab the chance and take this way to the downside. Definitely selling the dollar, it's something I will do. USD CAD. So USD CAD, it's a little bit aggressive. I don't know yet. Maybe it will stay like that. I have no idea. Maybe I will not be trading this USD CAD at all. There are much better pairs. Euro dollar, Aussie dollar, New Zealand USD, USD Chief. Everything is way better than USD CAD, so I think it's worth of skipping it. USDN struggling there at the top. I still do believe that this is way to the downside. I still do believe this will be going downside in the pullbacks. This would be very good movement. This is the wave that I'm aiming over there. It could be nice money over there. Buy, if there's the buy, I don't like to take it. I definitely don't like to take it. Because yeah, this can just drop down or it can go up. So can it go up? Yes, it can go, but I ain't gonna take it. I don't like it. I don't like to buy at that spot and in the structure that looks like that. If the structure will have different formation, different looking, different pattern, then I will take it. But as long as this is not the shape that I wanted for buy, I will not taking any buy, or I'm not willing to risk the money. Definitely just for sell. I will let it break down and I will take a pullback and then I will take a sell. Otherwise, I'm staying away. I'm not trading. I'm not interested to get in. What about Bitcoin? Just a second. Let me just finish this. gold, and then we will discuss about Bitcoin. Yeah. Gold did an amazing job, but it didn't pull back yesterday or during the night. There should be 1 to 3 pullback. This, and then this will be perfect. Same there. They all are setting up for errors. This one is doing like this. It's correcting. And now the price will go down, give you the flag, and then going up. But I'm not willing to again risk over there. Look at that on potential. It's so low. And I'm always waiting or taking the trades that are at the beginning of the wave, because then I can get in and then I can hold it. That way I'm increasing my profits. So this is not the beginning of the wave, it's not even on the half of the wave, it's at the end of the wave. So this is the reason why I will not take it. Not take it, very clear. But if the sell will appear, if this will start to break down like this, it go up, I will miss this one, then it will drop, pull back, then I will take the trade. All right, this is where I will take the trade. This is where I want to be, because if I get in, I will be holding it all the way back to trend line at least. And if I will get lucky, this can break through and I will make even more profit. So this is the reason why I'm always focusing on big movements. I'm always asking myself in which direction the market will go, where the trend will develop, and this is the direction where I'm willing to risk my money in. So this is the movement, this is what I'm aiming, and this is where I'm willingly placing my money in. I'm willing to try if this trade will work or not, because if it works, my potential, it's so huge, and account grows very nice. And by the way, psychological, it's not hard. Emotional, it's not that stressful. It is stressful, but it's not that stressful. So that's the reason why I will always aim for bigger movements. Oh yeah, so you ask for Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin. Yesterday it creates sell stop. If any one of you take it, there will be stop loss probably. I didn't, because I don't like to trade Bitcoin. I'm not taking it. Bitcoin, it's now trying to set up for a buy. So this movement now it's ready to go for the upside. This everything, it's one huge correction that's about to go all the way to the upside. So there could be the pullback and buy, pullback and buy. It can take up a couple of weeks before this will appear, but definitely Bitcoin, as I see it, it's a very big sell. Why these boxes over there? I have no idea. It will go deeper than that one. This will extend. Okay, this will definitely extend. So is it worth it? Yes. Selling it's more than worth it on Bitcoin. Again, always the question, what are you willing to trade? I will not take this trade. Anyway, I'm not trading Bitcoin, but sell has a huge potential. It's worth risking the money to try and grab and catch the sell on Bitcoin. Are you trading Bitcoin? Are you in the, do you have any open trade on Bitcoin right now? I think in the New York session, I will be trading dollar. I'm just guessing. I don't know. Maybe. I said maybe. Because I'm waiting for this sell setup to form over there. That pullback is more than I needed. This is my setup, and if I'm not patient, if I don't wait for this, gosh, it's really not worth of taking it, because I can get in right now, placing my stop loss over there, but I'm risking this drawdown of correction. Because why I will have the trade open over there if the market will go anyway in the correction? There will be correction anyway, so why open it right now? And as well, my entry will be low, my risk to ratio will be shit, and I will be just watching my red numbers longer than I should, so I don't see any reason why getting it now. This will be just entering because I will be intact of the fear of missing out. I believe I cannot miss anything because market always pull back. There always is the pullback which will appear. So you said no open position now, but just watching his behavior in this cycle. Oh yeah, okay, great. Great one. I really don't like to trade Bitcoin because I'm very much focused on Forex. I just place my focus fully on Forex, and that's the reason why I don't trade Bitcoin. I just watch it, I analyze it, because my strategy is the same, so but I don't trade it because spikes and so on, it's too weekend. Really, I just don't like it. I didn't have any bad experience with Bitcoin, nothing at all, but I just decided I will not trade it. Simple. Are you trading the Bitcoin or are you investing in Bitcoin? Spot trading or leverage trading on Bitcoin? What do you do? Nothing interesting of the views this week. Nothing. They all need that pullback. Maybe the USD cat will be the most aggressive one. We don't know yet, but it could become very good trade. We will see that after the fact. After the correction. I'm not trying to predict the movement without the correction, without the confirmation. This correction can take up at least the maximum till tomorrow. Very possible. It can be so. Market can go and start the correction right now. And it can take up to 24 hours. Very possible. It didn't happen once. It's happening quite often. But when this correction is prepared, then probability it's very high. Because we waited for the setup to load and then we press it. That's similar as there on my left. This one is the same. Very good. So how long does it take? It took from here to here 23 hours, yeah? Almost a day. Same it can happen over there, exact similar scenario. This correction can be in development of 24 hours a day, and then we will have a nice opportunity. You're just trying to accumulate some profit in long term. Oh, great. So you're trading it, right? You're not investing in it. You're trading it probably on longer movements, longer waves. What about Euro Yen? Let's check. Euro Yen. Still waiting for the pullback. it didn't. I didn't open it, and it opened with the gap. And I thought that this will give me 1, 2, 3 pullback, and then I will be entering, but nothing from pullback. It went higher, but that's still not a problem. I'm still waiting for the pullback. Everywhere. I'm waiting everywhere on these pullbacks. On euro yen and the dollar, so I have to stay patient. Patient. I have no open trades currently. Sitting aside and controlling my emotions to not trigger anything. But yeah, euro yen will be very nice trade, definitely. Euro yen buy and dollar sells. Amazing. Amazing opportunities are forming for this week. But a lot of waiting. There's a game of patience and waiting. I think this year will more liquid in market. Maybe. Who knows? We will see. It's very possible as well, yeah. Nobody knows until it happens. This is a similar movement over there. Boom. Highly likely that this movement will happen. Up and down, up and down. It can form very nice opportunities. To adding to the winners, to holding and everything. I think New York session will, after the New York session, 2 hours after the New York session, usually there are the corrections that gives good opportunities to enter. Yep. Process. What did you mean with the process? What's called process? I think I didn't get it right now. I'll just grab a water. 1 minute. Oh yeah. He said like waiting with patience. That's true. Waiting. Waiting is everything in trading. When we are waiting for setup to form, and before we enter, we have to wait. When we are in the trade, and when the trade is progressing, we have to wait again. And the more we wait, when the trade is open, the more profit we are accumulating. So trading is really all about waiting, waiting, and waiting. With waiting, you get good opportunities. With waiting, you are increasing your profits. Actually, this is boring trading. Nobody wants. Yeah, that's true. Sometimes it requires a lot of boringness. You need to know how to deal with boringness. But I think I watched the video on the YouTube, and I think it was some seminar of I can't remember from who, that we all have been taught, and the culture and the adults teaches us that boringness is something bad and we should feel about bad boring. No, boringness and being bored is actually good thing. It's normal to feel bored. Hello, hello. I'm 18 years old designer. If I make a great thumbnail for you, would you mind considering? Not currently. I'm not watching, or I'm not doing any thumbnails. Currently, I'm not interested, but later on, maybe if I will decide to have a thumbnail, yeah, then definitely I will contact you. Currently, I'm not focused on thumbnails. I'm just doing those live webinars, as many as I can, being active as I can, and so on. This is my goal. I think I really don't care that much about the thumbnail currently. I don't believe the thumbnail will get more clicks and reach. I think providing and quality, it's much better than the thumbnail. You're saying actually my mind wants always try to do something when I overcome this on my trade. Yeah, that's true. The mind and the idea in our head are always giving new ideas. Try something new. Try this. Try this. Try this. Try this. And this is a distraction from the mind. I'm watching my mind and my thinking like this is just the room of naughty children's. That's how I watch my brain when I'm trading. And I learned that I shouldn't listen. I should listen to my rules. I should stick to my predetermined plan. And that's all I have to do and keep on repeating without changing it. And the second thing is that I have to be aware and I have to control myself if I'm still sticking to those rules, if I'm still following my plan. And this is why I keep my trading journals. Without keeping my trading journals, I won't be able to have that awareness about my decisions, about my behavior on the market, how I trade, why I trade, where I trade, and so on. I think the biggest and the most important thing for a trader is keeping those journals. Because I don't think if I will be that disciplined and if I will be that aligned, if I will not have trading journal. Because trading journal, it's just, it looks like bullshit, but it's the main thing to keep me disciplined to stay on track. Now it will take even longer because it breaks. Now again, needs to start pullback. But it's good, at least we are having a strong impulse that cannot be that easily invalidated. So the stronger it is, the better it becomes, the more we can rely on it. This stupidity in my brain is crazy. I'm always thinking, oh gosh, this will go now without me. I should be in already. What about if it will not give me an entry? La la la. All that stupid stuff. No, I will stick to my rules only. This one is good as well. Oh. So pullback as well. Pullback is everything. Pullback is confirmation. This must go lower. This is where I came in the game. Very good one. Very good one. All the puzzles are getting into one place. Very nice move. There will be few targets available. After the confirmation, of course. Now the views will come. Oh my god, that's good. Isn't it? Bitcoin again down, lol. What the fuck? Let me take this mess off. And this is still small sell over there. Break, pull back, go up, pull back, and then go. And then again. Drop, pull back, go, pull back, and go. Pull back. The whole market needs that confirmation. Crazy. Crazy, from dollar to crypto to indexes, everything. Everything needs that confirmation before triggering the trade. So Monday, today, this will be very slow market. Everybody wants harder way, SMC, ICT, blah. Oh gosh, I really don't like that idea about SMC, ICT. That's the whole idea. It just boggles my mind. I cannot understand how you can make money based on this SMT, ICT, FVG. Oh my gosh. Who developed that way of trading? That everything comes from TikTok. TikTok develop all those strategies because maybe I understand why this so, because people are always searching for easy stuff and fast stuff with no effort stuff, and this is why strategies like that comes and they become trending. But I really did never heard for anybody making money with it. Easy and simple concepts with these illusions. I tried once to backtest their idea. Oh my gosh. It works in backtesting when you position yourself in some areas where you see that the market will reverse or turn. But in the real market, this doesn't work so, because you don't know where the bottom is or top is. You don't know if you are at the reversal spot or you are in the trending movement. So really, and only candle will tell you where the price will go. What the fuck? What the heck? What the hell? That doesn't work. I don't believe in this. That one candle can predict the whole market. No, that's the illusion. Crazy. I think laziness will kill humanity. People want easy, fast stuff. And no. This is not how money is generated. Easy, fast money is created just at the job. In trading, it's slow money, but big money. But it requires experience. Come on, dollar, just start the pullback. Yes, gold analysis. Just a second. Just a second. Give me 1 minute. All right, so gold analysis. This. I will not be trading. It's in this channel, I think. I will take this off so it will not confuse. Lot of drawings. I think it's not worth of trading there at the top now. Or in case if it gives a decent slow pullback, then yes. One leg to the upside. This is the move. But I will watch for sell on gold. Oh gosh, this is good one. Good one. Oops, what has just happened? I think similar movement as it was there. It needs to happen from there to there. And this will be running flat. So trading there on pullbacks, yes. Good idea. Taking the buy, I don't think so it's a good idea. I think we can try. I mean, I will not try. I don't like to trade gold here, where it is right now. Too small room, I have nothing to hold over there. And pullbacks can get deeper and deeper, so my stop loss it needs to be big. My stop loss needs to be big, so I don't like to trade there at the top really. Positions should be from the beginning of the movement. I didn't personally watch it, but I'm always interested to trade from the bottom. I'm always interested to start building my positions from there. This is where I want to start building my position, even after this one. These positions are okay, but there at the top, target is almost reached. So I rather wait for the sell. Same as it was there. Buying there and getting this much money, that's a piece of shit. Even it could happen that I will get there and then this money, instead of focusing for this big movement, this is where the money is. I'm always watching like that. And that's the reason why I don't want to take trades there. I didn't want to take buy on dollar yesterday, as I have mentioned, because anytime soon it can drop down, and if I will be focusing on buy, taking the buy, for example, on my leg higher, I won't be able to see this sell, this sell, this sell. Okay, I won't see these sell setups. That's how I see it. But then definitely very good sell. But first it needs to go up. Probably it will do something like this and then go up, or it can do this, then drop, pull back, and then voila, sell will start. Or it will go up and drop from here, pull back from here, and then go down. Something of this will happen. Either of them. This is exactly the same scenario. Why I'm not taking the buy? It's too high. Potential is small. Potential is small, and even if I hold, because I want to hold, because I believe that in holding there's the money, and if in holding is money, then there's nothing to hold over there on gold, so I shouldn't be trading it. There's nothing for me. But taking 1-to-1 risk ratio 1-to-2, I don't like to take these small risk to reward ratios. You are welcome. I find one same person, same like you, provide pure knowledge. Yeah, maybe. I believe there could be similar people, but I don't watch them because I don't need. Come on, just go in the pullback, man. This one has decided to keep on dropping. What a bastard. So the more it drops now, currently, it means the longer we will have to wait. It will test our patience and nerves. But who cares? If we have to wait 24 hours, we have to wait 24 hours. There's nothing else. Pull back, pull back, pull back. But good money. Very, very good money. as it was here. Once the waiting area is over, once this waiting area is over, then this is the reward. Same there. Once this waiting area will be over and once we will grab the position, this will be the reward for us. Same as it was over there. Always after waiting, always after sticking to the rules, waiting for pullbacks, we will be rewarded. Okay, give me 1 minute, guys. Be right back. Here I am. Yeah, following the trend and waiting for the trend. That's the point. That's the only thing we have to keep repeating. Repeat, 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 repeat. I think the whole point is there in trend. It's easy, money rises and profit rises very nice, and that's what I have to do on repeat to collect money, to accumulate the wealth. It's easy. Why this dollar is rising? This exact moment when I start to think why I'm not in the trade. But never mind. I have to stay patient. Because this thinking now is dangerous. Very dangerous thinking. Oh, sorry. Very dangerous thinking when we want to enter and we start to asking ourselves, should we already be in the trend and so on. Yep. But it's a very strong impulse. This is what I love to see. Some sort love to see. I would love it more even if I will be already in the trade, but I'm not yet in, so. But I still love it, still like it. The stronger it is, the more I can rely on it. Look, These strong candles can be ignored. 33 minutes left, and then the candle will close like that. This is also a good sign. It means that volatility momentum is strong and someone is behind this movement. It's building its position. Someone bigger than us. It's building this movement over there. Someone already has started to put their money into this kind of the movement, so our setup becomes stronger and stronger, stronger and stronger. The stronger movement we see, the stronger our confidence should appear. As it was over there. Same with the sell over there. When we see this strong movement, that means that then we are right. Our analysis will go in our direction and we have to prepare ourselves. Same there. This will just go. I think I should remove this trend line so the price will not stop over there. I'm just kidding. Jokes. Oops. What the fuck was that? What the heck? What the hell? Crazy. Oil can go for one more leg lower if it gives the setup. There is no sell setup currently. US 500 can give us a nice setup as well. Seems like it's dying out of momentum. Don't believe there will be this deep pullback. But this move needs to correct, definitely. This movement needs to correct. Everywhere pullbacks and confirmation needs to appear. I'm really not willing to trade without confirmation, without having a setup, without having a pullback. No trading for me until I see this. Highly likely. You look like a Jesse Pinkman from Breaking Bad. Seriously. Oh gosh. I didn't watch that series, but crazy. Let's check. No. I think there's still the difference. Do I look like him? I don't think so. Oh gosh. Maybe I'm an actor. I'm younger at least. He's older probably. Funny. There could be similarities, yes. Okay, maybe the pullback will start on dollar. That's good. Two pullbacks we are waiting. Dollar and yen pullback. I'm from Slovenia. A little European country. Yeah, maybe till the evening we will have the pullback. During this session, London session, and during the New York session, we may see a nice decent pullback on dollars and as well on index. Index SP 500 is something that I'm also waiting for pullback. So pullback here, every dollar, pullback here, and pullback here. Pullbacks are in development. Now the question is how fast it will happen. The longer it takes, the more patient we will need. Money is loading. US 500 is very good looking setup. Structurally, I mean on 4 hour. Big potential is there. I don't get this one. There's the lack of structure over there. I don't see it clear enough. Going down, pull back, and then sell. This is why very important to wait for the rules, otherwise it can be dangerous. You can be buying, you can be selling, and just being stopped out in buy, stopped out in sell, and la 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 la. So this is why I'm sticking to the rule that pullback before triggering the trade is very important. It gives you better risk to reward ratio, and it confirms the trend, and your probability and success rate goes up. So that's the reason why waiting for confirmation is so important. Nothing without confirmation. Confirmation is good because it protects me from the choppy market. When the market is just driving crazily up, driving crazily down, it protects me that I'm not jumping the gun. I'm not jumping in the trade. So this is why this confirmation is so important. It couldn't be more important than that. The market will probably not slow down. This one, oh, I love it. When this will form, I think we're perfect. But I think I will slowly take a break. Maybe I will go for a coffee because this needs to develop. This needs to develop, and it will take up at least 8 hours. That's the minimum what I see. I think it can be faster than that. If it will be, in any case, I will see it. I will spot it. But as it stands right now, I have time. So this is it. I will end the webinar there. If this webinar was helpful, make sure you subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and make sure you come on the next webinar. I will do the next webinar in 1 p.m., maybe 2 p.m. So this is in 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours. I will be back online. I will be streaming again for our New York session. So make sure you join. We can go through everything again and comment. So take care and see you in the next session. Bye bye.